Savon Equipment has purchased a package of Sandvik MT720 and MT520 Roadheaders that had been used for the Site C project in Canada. We then disassembled each machine and transported them to our facility in Savon, BC for servicing and resale. The heaviest piece was 147,000 pounds. Thank you to our service providers for helping make this a successful move. Wajax, MyShack, Peace Country Rentals, Greg Distributors, DMZ Lowbed Services, RKM Crane Services, Sandvik, PRHP, Samsung, and Acciona for hosting and supporting our teams. Though the MT720 is already sold, if you are interested in the MT520s, check out the links in the description for our online listing and our contact info.